Hello. So today I'm going to be trying affiliated marketing as a complete beginner. I have zero experience, I have no clue what I'm doing, and I don't really know where to start. So if you're like me and you're interested in making money online through affiliated marketing, make sure to stick around until the end of the video to see how much money I actually make. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is educate ourselves and watch some YouTube videos. Be right back. Right, so I've just come off YouTube and I actually know what affiliated marketing is now.
You're a smart motherfucker, that's right.
It's, say if there's a company like Amazon and you sign up for their affiliated program, they give you a link to a certain product that you want to sell, and all you have to do is put that link on the internet and hopefully people will go on that link and buy the product you are advertising. Now, if they do this, you'll get a small commission fee. Yeah, now we know what we're actually doing. Let's see if we can set up some sort of social media page to get some traffic to click on our link and buy our products. Let's get started. But before setting up our social media page, we need to sign up with an affiliate site. So I'm going to be using ClickBank and Amazon affiliates. But after looking at the commission rates, which is how much I would be earning, I found that ClickBank are offering much more higher rates. Just look at some of these commissions. So I will be primarily promoting their stuff. Okay, so we are on ClickBank right now, and I've been looking at this website for quite a while, and I think I've settled on our overall niche for our social media page to be so our overall niche is going to be like an astrology page. I don't know if I'm going to do TikTok or Pinterest is another one that you can promote these on. This average conversion for a $1 trial, I'll get $24. Whoa! I've seen these $9 ones, $64 if we can sell this one. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I think that's going to be our overall niche for our page. So let's get creating the page logo and we'll see if we can find some TikToks to upload. Day one is looking promising. So I started to sign up and create my social media pages on TikTok, Instagram and Pinterest. Next, I went on to creating the most beautiful logo you have ever seen for my astrology page. I started browsing TikTok and YouTube Shorts for viral astrology themed videos that I could re-upload on my page. My thinking was, for this, if they have already gone viral before, why can't they go viral again? So I copied the link and started to download these videos. I started to get all of my content ready. So here are our social media platforms that we will be posting content on: Pinterest, Instagram and TikTok. As well as setting up and creating these pages, I have downloaded some YouTube Shorts and TikToks that are in my niche, astrology. And I have slightly edited them, adding captions to the videos saying to click the link in my bio. This is where I'll be setting up a link tree, which will basically have all of my affiliated links in, as you can see here. So thank God we have finished all of the boring stuff. But next we will be moving on to uploading some of this content. I am ashamed to say this, that our strategy will be stealing content.
I'll be taking that.
Just from YouTube Shorts and TikTok. We'll be aiming to upload at least 4 videos a day for the next 7 days. So that's what I'll be doing. For the next 7 days, I will be keeping you guys up to date on what progress we are making. Wish me luck. Hello guys, so welcome to day 2 and we're just gonna have a quick check at some of our statistics and seeing how our posts are performing. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we are on our social media pages. As we can see, we're on our Pinterest here, and we're just gonna take a quick look at the statistics. Right, okay, so it's day 2. Some of our posts have reached over 100 views, which is pretty good, but this little symbol here in the middle means how many people have clicked on the link. And as we can see here, we've had 1 link click, and that's about it. Let's go over to our TikTok page. We can see here that our posts are getting 88 views, 33 views, 27 and 75. So let's go over to our Instagram. This one has had 3 plays, 6 views, which is pretty good. 2 had 6 again. So, I mean, let's have a look at our dashboard to see if anyone has purchased or at least clicked on the links through ClickBank. No data, no data. Fantastic. Hello guys, and welcome to day 7. I'm quite excited because I know that some of our pages have had quite a bit of traffic actually. So we're going to go on to reviewing our traffic, seeing how much money we've made, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here we are on our Pinterest dashboard. As you can see here, we got 1.5k monthly views. So if we just scroll down here, we can see some of the earlier stuff has got quite a good amount of views, and hopefully some people have clicked through and gone on our link tree to maybe purchase one of our affiliated products. But let's head over to TikTok to see how we did. Okay, so we're on our TikTok here. As we can see, some of the newer videos hasn't really took off yet. 0 views here, 0 views there. If we scroll down, look at some of the earlier stuff we posted, 95 views, 34, but the problem is that we didn't have a link in the bio for people to click on. So I guess the traffic from TikTok was quite pointless, really. Now to our Instagram, I've just had a quick look on some of our Instagram reels. We've been getting like an average of 6 views. This one got 7. This one got 5, so really just maybe under 10 views on all of the videos. But let's check our ClickBank profile to see if we have made any money. No data. Let me just refresh the page. No data.